In Enginius, you can generate reports in many different formats. And depending on your needs, one format might be more suited than another. Let me show you how it works. So for this demonstration, I'm going to select connector PDA segmentation case study, which is, as its name implies, a segmentation case study. And I'm going to run a segmentation analysis, but let's suppose that what I care about is actually to which segment each respondent belongs to. If the output is in a web page, that's not very useful. I'd like to download the data in Excel format. So what you do for that purpose is you go here and you say, I'd like to have the output in Excel format, and you launch the analysis. Once you ask to show the report, you'll actually be invited to download an Excel spreadsheet which has been filled with all the data you need. So here you have everything we need from model predictions. You have the charts you can use, a segment space, and here the segment membership, which I care about in Excel format. Let's suppose that I'd like to have exactly the same report, but in a different format. I do not need to relaunch the analysis again. All I need to do is to go to Report History, which lists all the reports you've analyzed and run recently, which you can rename, delete, and so on. I'm going to select the latest segmentation report I run, and this time I'm going to create a PowerPoint presentation from it. I click Run. The analysis doesn't need to run again, and I get the entire report in PowerPoint format, which can be very useful in some situations. So same analysis, many different kinds of reports.